Alright guys, what's up? Got my hands on the Corsair K63 wireless mechanical keyboard, and I've been putting it through its paces. This thing is marketed as a compact, portable gaming keyboard, and I gotta say it pretty much lives up to the hype. First off, the size. It's tankulous, which means no number pad. Now, I know some of you are married to your number pads, but honestly, for gaming and even general typing, I found I didn't miss it at all. It actually frees up a ton of desk space, which is a huge win for me. Plus, it makes the keyboard super portable. Chuck it in your backpack, no problem. Now, the important stuff, the keys. These are Cherry MX red switches, and if you know keyboards, you know these are the kings of smooth, linear keystrokes. They're quiet, responsive, and perfect for gaming. No clicky-clackiness here, which is great if you're sharing a space or recording your gameplay. The keycaps themselves have a nice, large font, which looks great with the backlighting. Speaking of backlighting, it's blue LED, and while it's not RGB, it's still vibrant and looks really clean. You can customize the lighting effects through Corsair software, which is pretty intuitive. The K63 connects wirelessly in two ways: Bluetooth and a super-fast 1 millisecond 2.4 GHz wireless connection. I mainly use the 2.4 GHz option for gaming, and I experienced zero lag. It felt just as responsive as a wired keyboard. Bluetooth is handy for connecting to other devices, like your phone or tablet. And if you do need a wired connection, you can plug it in via USB. Battery life is decent. I got around 15 hours of use on a single charge with the backlighting on. That's enough for a good few gaming sessions. One feature I really appreciate is the 128-bit AES encryption. This basically protects your keystrokes from wireless eavesdropping, which is a nice touch for security-conscious folks. There are also dedicated multimedia and volume controls, which are always a welcome addition. You can adjust your audio on the fly without having to alt-tab out of your game. Now, is it perfect? Well, no keyboard is. The lack of a number pad might be a deal breaker for some. Also, while the blue backlighting looks good, some might prefer the customization options of RGB. And finally, the price. It's not the cheapest mechanical keyboard out there, but you are getting a quality, compact, wireless keyboard with Cherry MX red switches. Overall, I'm really impressed with the Corsair K63 wireless. It's a solid choice for gamers who want a portable, responsive, and quiet keyboard. The compact design, Cherry MX red switches, and dual wireless connectivity make it a winner in my book. If you're in the market for a new keyboard and these features appeal to you, definitely check it out.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.